In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block or filter unwanted senders and domains using SaneBlackHole and domain filters. If you're tired of dealing with unwanted emails cluttering your inbox, you've come to the right place. We'll be using a handy tool called SaneBox to streamline the process, and I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you can easily manage your email load. First things first, open up your browser and search for SaneBox. This is the tool that we're going to use to make our email lives a lot easier. Once you hit enter, look for the link with the URL sanebox.com. That's the official website, the one you want to click on. After the page loads, it's time to log in. Your account should already be set up, but if not, the process is quite straightforward, so don't worry. Once you're in, navigate over to the Folders tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find various options tailored to organizing and managing your emails. One of the features you should activate is the @SaneBlackHole folder. Check if the slider for this feature is turned on. If it isn't, go ahead and activate it. This folder is essentially your email's bouncer, swiftly dealing with any unwanted guests by making sure they won't queue up in your inbox again. Now let's jump into your email client. This could be anything from Outlook to Gmail or maybe Apple Mail, whatever you typically use. The next step is really simple. When an email comes in from a sender, you don't want cluttering your inbox. Just drag that email into the newly activated @SaneBlackHole folder. It's as easy as that. This action teaches SaneBox to recognize that sender as unwanted, automating the process from here on out. So the next time an email from that sender arrives, it will bypass your inbox and head straight to your trash folder without you lifting a finger. That's essentially it. 5 quick and easy steps to regain control of your inbox using SaneBlackHole and domain filters. This tool not only helps keep your email organized, but also reduces the time you spend sifting through bagfuls of useless messages. By learning from your actions, SaneBox continuously improves, making your email experience more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel empowered to tackle your inbox with newfound ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with more tech-savvy tips and tricks. See you in the next video.